Hi everybody, I'm Kailey, and for my final speech, I'm doing it based on dementia and how it affects somebody's ability to communicate. And I've got a lot of this information via an interview. Topics that are going to be covered in this speech are the background information of dementia, Jane and Anna and their story, a powerful moment from Jane and Anna's interview, and we're going to end with a conclusion. Some of the background information: dementia is a mental illness that controls the person's ability to remember stuff, and dementia, it gets more severe the longer a person has it. The symptoms of dementia are memory loss, the lack of being able to do everyday tasks such as get ready, brush your hair, brush your teeth. Many people with dementia start showing symptoms at a younger age, so like 60, and then it gets severe fast. The causes of dementia: there's no true cause of dementia. It's just happens. And some people say they can be like from lack of using their brain and learning more stuff as they get older, but there's been no true correlation with it. Treatments: there are no treatments for dementia. Patients with dementia and their caretakers just learn how to handle it. Jane and Anna. So, Jane and Anna is a mother-daughter duo. Anna cares for Jane, and while Jane has dementia. So based on now I'm gonna go into the interview. I interviewed Anna because she was a caretaker of Jane and was able to tell me a lot of stuff about them. One of the few things that I like to talk about is Jane was diagnosed with dementia in 2018 because Anna realized that Jane was just not remembering stuff, and the one thing that made her click that she needs to go to the doctor and get checked out is she went shopping with one of her granddaughters to get a dress for a wedding. And then they found the dress, and she hung the dress up in her closet. And then the next day, Anna got a phone call from Jane saying, "What is this dress doing in my house? Whose is it? Why is it here?" And then that's when Anna decided that Jane really needs to go to the doctor. And that's when she was diagnosed with dementia. Jane is a loving, kind-hearted person, beautiful inside and out, based on Anna's remarks. A powerful moment based on Jane and Anna's was, no matter what you do, always love them no matter what. And one thing based on the communication that I asked was like, how do you communicate with Anna? And she said, adjust to what they need. And more regards to that, she said, talk slow, one word sentences if that's what they need. Keep it simple, and don't expect them to remember stuff. That'll just make them angry, and then they wouldn't want to communicate. Another thing that Anna has said about Jane is her communication has decreased severely since being diagnosed with dementia, and there's a few reasons why. Anna said one was she doesn't remember who people are, so she could know me very well, and I go up and try to have a conversation with her, and she won't know who I am. Like, she wouldn't be able to remember it. And Anna said that really frustrates Jane. Um, and Anna says she gets lost in her own sentences and just forgets what she's saying, so that frustrates her, and that's hard. And I also asked Anna, on tough days, what makes you feel like, how do you get better on tough days? And she said, talks to my husband really helps on the tough days. So this shows just communicating with someone could truly help you on tough days. Conclusion: so like I said before, dementia affects a person's ability to remember stuff, but memory is what to say, what words, how to communicate, and how to do anything. Jane and Anna, like I said before, are a daughter-mother duo, and the daughter's now caring for Anna, caring for the mother. And yeah, that was my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.